Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Mohlarum 01DDT20F1009 and my groupmates Ahmad Nuizuddin bin Ahmad Tajuddin 01DDT20F1088. Today, my groupmate and I want to present about ergonomic guidelines for user interface design. We will touch on three aspects of ergonomic guidelines for user interface design. Number one, definition of ergonomics. Number two, case and example of ergonomical problems. And number three, solve or improve the ergonomic problems. Definition of ergonomics. Number one, world derived from grids. Number two, ergon means work and nomos means natural laws. In definition, ergonomics means an applied science concerned with designing and arranging things people use so that the people and things interact most efficiently and safely. Also called as biotechnology, human engineering, or human factors. Case and examples of ergonomical problems. Body posture. Carpal tunnel syndrome caused by pressure on the medial nerve. The autonomy of your voice, health problems, and possibly repetitive hand motion can contribute to carpal tunnel syndrome. Symptoms can include numbness, tingling, and weakness in the hand and arms. Back pain can be caused by improper sitting position, slouching, can range from a muscle aching to a shooting, burning, or stabbing sensation. Leg numbness is caused by overlapping your leg by sitting on the floor for too long. Forearm pain causes discomfort on pain that occurs in your forearm. It can occur on its own or can be present with elbow, wrist, hand, and or finger pain. Neck pain happens where you're watching the computer screen on an improper angle. Computer vision syndrome, also referred to as digital eye strain, describes a group of eyes and vision-related problems that result from prolonged computer, tablet, e-reader, and cell phone use. Most common symptoms associated with CVS or digital eye strain are eye strain, headache, blurred vision, or dry eyes. For about 3% of people with epilepsy, exposure to flashing lights at certain intensities or to certain visual patterns can trigger seizures. This condition is known as photosensitive epilepsy. If you wear headphones or earbuds for too long or listen to music too loudly, this can damage your hearing. Consider that fully throttled motorcycling and chainsaws generate approximately 100 decibels unit that measure the intensity of a sound, which can damage hearing in as little as 30 minutes. Sharing headphones is not the only way to acute an ear infection. However, earplugs and headphones increase the temperature of the ear canal, which may induce skin abrasion and introduce harmful bacteria.
Very good morning to my lecturers and friends, and I'm going to continue the presentation. My name is Ahmad Nuizuddin. Solving a solving and improving ergonomic problems. At first, in your sitting position, you must place the computer monitor in a straight line of your eye. After that, expand your arms. Now we have to adjust the space from the screen while its arms spans left. Then make sure the height of your computer's monitor and make an adjustment with it. You must place your keyboard rightly before the PC. Just make a just make just make a gap from 4 to 6 inches between the keyboard and the computer desk. This process will pave the chance of your corpus to rest on. You have to make sure the upper part of your legs above your knees should be completely rested on the chest. If that part of your legs is raised due to the small of the chair being smaller of the chair you sit it on, then you are risking the knee pain. Buy an ergonomic chair or ergonomic mouse pad to give the correct posture on your back and wrists. Cut the glare. Change the lighting around you to reduce the effect of on your computer screen. If light from a nearby window casts a glare, move your monitor and close the shades. Ask your employer to install a dimmer switch for the overhead fixtures if they're too bright, or buy a desk lamp with a movable shade that casts light evenly on your over your desk. You can also add a glare filter to your monitor. Give your eyes a break. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Look away from the screen every 20 minutes or so and look something around 20 feet away for about 20 seconds. Blink often to keep your eyes moist. If you if they feel dry, try some eye drops. Check your check with your doctor if you are concerned about flashing lights triggering seizures. Chances are that your medical records will indicate how you responded to flashing lights during the EEG test, a test done routinely in most people with epilepsy. Lastly, do not listen to loud sounds for too long. Move away from the loud sound if you don't have hearing protection. Give your ears a break. Plug your ears with fingers as emergency vehicles pass on the road. Keep your personal listening devices set to no more than half the volume. The World Health Organization (WHO) recommends a total of 40 hours of weekly exposure to volume levels no higher than 80 decibels for adults and 75 decibels for children on a personal listening devices. Do not share your earphones and headphones to avoid ear infection.